Oh my god. No way. I just got accepted. Jenna! What's wrong? I came as quick as I could. Check this out. Come over here. What, you want another giveaway like always? No, but even better, look. What? You want a merch? Ow. You want a merch for Stranger Cats? No. I got accepted for season 3. Wow, that's great. When are you guys gonna meet up? Tonight. That sounds a bit sketchy, don't you think? Why tonight, and why was the exception so quick? I don't know, but I'm not missing the opportunity. I have to go. You have to tell Mom first. I guess so. Well, I guess I'll tell her. Mom! Mom! What? Come over here. I need to talk. I don't know what is it with you that you always have to talk. You know that show I'm always talking about, Stranger Cats? Yeah? Well, I was just doing it for fun, you know, like, if I have a part in season 3, and I was just playing around with the computer. Where is this going? You want merch? No, Mom! I got accepted into season 3, and we had to meet tonight. Tonight? When did you join? I joined this morning, around 7. Don't you think that's a little weird that they're gonna do it so soon? No. Well, you're not going. This is a scam. I already told you. Scams like this happens. This is how everyone gets abducted. Now, stay in your room and don't talk about this. But Mom, I already said no. I can't believe you're making me miss this opportunity. I'm making you miss getting abducted. See what I tell you. I'm going. Mom just said no. You're not going anywhere. I don't care if you're the older sister or whatever, but you're not smarter than me, and I'm going. What's in it for me if I don't tell? Well, anything. Okay, give me a pair of earrings. Great. I don't want you to get hurt. I won't. I swear. You know what? Fine. There. Give me the earrings. I'm leaving. I'm leaving too. I'm gonna go. Wait, not without my earrings. I forgot. Great. I'm done packing. Oh, Dad. Sorry. What are you doing here? I don't know. What are you doing with this? What's in here? Oh, that's just my bag. All my homework is in there. You don't have school till next week. Are you kidding me? You're on break. Yeah, but yeah. Okay, well, good night. Good night. Psych.